applications. Our project can be used in car parking systems, robots for obstacle detection, water level measurement, smart security systems. It is low cost, simple and useful in real life. Conclusion. From this project we learned how to interface sensors, LEDs and Arduino. It helped us understand C programming and practical electronics. Thank you.
This is our program for ultrasonic measurement, and this is our model. It sends all the sound waves. It sends sound waves. As soon as we put our hand near the sound wave, it glows all the lights, and as soon as we move back, the lights decrease. Thank you.